Hey everyone, have you ever heard of someone throwing a naira to the moon party? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's kind of the wild world of cryptocurrency these days. People are getting excited, some might even say obsessed, with the idea of digital currencies changing the face of finance. But with so many different cryptos out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. You might have stumbled upon something called Newton while scrolling through endless charts and forums. Perhaps you're wondering, is this the next big thing or just another flash in the pan? Well, buckle up because today we're diving deep into Newton crypto, dissecting its current worth, exploring its potential, and uncovering the nitty-gritty details you need to make informed decisions. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Remember those early days of the internet when everyone was scrambling to get a domain name, even if it didn't make sense? That's kind of how the crypto space feels right now. There are hundreds of projects out there, some with genuine potential, others, well, let's just say they're hoping to catch a lucky break. So, where does Newton fit into this wild west of digital currencies? Unveiling Newton, understanding the why behind the coin. Alright, let's get down to business. Newton crypto, also known as New on exchanges, promises to be a game changer in the African remittance space. Imagine sending money from Lagos to Johannesburg being as easy as sending a text message. That's the dream Newton is trying to sell. They aim to create a seamless peer-to-peer payment system built on blockchain technology. For those unfamiliar, blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that keeps a secure and transparent record of transactions. Think of it like a giant, incorruptible spreadsheet everyone can see but no one can tamper with. Here's the thing, sending money across borders, especially within Africa, can be a real hassle. You often face hefty fees, slow processing times, and a whole lot of paperwork. Newton wants to cut through that red tape with their crypto solution. Sounds good in theory, right? But here's the million-dollar question. How much is Newton crypto worth right now? As of today, insert current date, the price of one Newton token, NU, is hovering around, insert current price, $. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile. What's hot today could be ice cold tomorrow. So, while the current price might seem attractive, it's crucial to understand the bigger picture. Here's the thing, Newton is still a relatively new player in the game. They launched their token in, insert year, which means they haven't had a ton of time to establish themselves. That doesn't necessarily mean they're doomed to fail. Think of it like a startup trying to make its mark in a crowded marketplace. They need to prove their concept, build a user base, and gain the trust of investors. Newton crypto, potential or hype? So, is Newton crypto a potential game changer or just another overhyped project? Well, that depends on who you ask. Here's the good news, the African remittance market is massive, and there's a clear need for faster, cheaper, and more secure ways to send money. If Newton can deliver on its promises, they could be onto something big. But here's the not-so-good news, the crypto space is littered with failed projects. There are dozens of other coins trying to solve similar problems. Newton needs to stand out from the crowd and prove they have the technology and the team to make their vision a reality. Should you invest in Newton crypto? This is the question you've all been waiting for, and honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Investing in any cryptocurrency carries inherent risks. The market is volatile, and there's always the chance that your investment could go to zero. Here's what you should do before you even consider investing in Newton. Do your research. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because someone online tells you it's the next big thing. Read the Newton white paper, understand their technology, and see who's on their team. Consider your risk tolerance. Can you afford to lose the money you invest? Cryptocurrencies are inherently risky, so only invest what you can comfortably afford to lose.